Hey guys, we are group 4. Today, we'll be doing a really funny skit and we hope you enjoy it. Remember, we are the solvent and you are the reagent. And guess what? The reaction will be laughter.
Disclaimer, this is cringe comedy. It's going to be so bad, it's good. So all of you better laugh, otherwise the comedy isn't fun. Yeah. Thanks, enjoy the show!
Well, hello everyone. I am Dr. Yalini, and these are my subjects. I have kidnapped them here so that I can use humans to experiment on my prototype. Finally, everyone will understand that I am the genius. But turns out, I kidnapped way too many. I only need one. So how do I decide who to let off? I know. I'll have a game show. And the two that win can be let off. So, welcome to the Scientist Kidnapped Me and Now I'm Probably Going to Die game show!
Oh my god, does my life depend on your stupid game show? Ugh!
Yay! We're going to have some fun today. Anyway, we're going to die, so let's have fun.
Oh, wait, what? What just happened?
Time for the first round, which is the question lightning speed round. The first question is, who is the President of the United States?
Easy! Donald Trump!
No, it's Obama! What? Minus points. What is a rhino's horn made up of?
Hair.
Wait! How can it be made up of?
Correct!
I actually knew it. I'm just giving you chances. At least my hair is nicer than yours.
Okay, let's lighten the mood. Do you guys want to hear a joke?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I was wondering why the baseball was coming so fast. Then it hit me!
That is a good joke.
Okay, fine. Let's get on with the questions. What does a house wear?
Like, paint the...
No, a dress!
Wait.
Get it?
A dress?
A dress, you know, the block, street.
Fine then. Okay then, that's the end of the game show for now. Let's move on to the next segment, which is the Big Apple debate. We have two motions. Let's start with the first one. The first one is, this house believes that apples are meat. We have Joel in proposition, and we have Leon as opposition.
Let's start. Apples are surely meat. Because you know why? Apples are red and stick is red. Therefore, a stick being meat equals to apples being meat. And the word apple has P in it. Guess what else starts with P? Pork. Pork is a meat. So apples are definitely meat. Yeah, I won this debate.
Are you trying to say that poker card in my hand is meat because it's red and this poker card it starts with P too?
No, I'm saying that I like to eat apples and I listen to PPAP.
What?
I got pineapple pen. Wait, why is that?
See, you get this. Apple is not flesh because apple does not support flesh. Anyway, since we're not appling to our audience now, let's move on. Apple is a fruit, okay? The food pyramid says so.
Oh wait, haha! It's because the phone is called Apple, right?
Wow, you're so fast.
Okay, never mind. Oh, by the way, I bet you don't know what we call the yellow part of an apple. Flesh. And the red part is called skin. Flesh and skin, get it?
Okay. Time's up. And I thought my jokes would end. Time for poem. Leon, Joel, and Getzel. Let's go.
Yeah! Let's do this.
do something?
Okay, we're done.
That was fun. Your goal is simple. Just make me laugh.
We can have fun if you let us. Just tossing salad puns.
I'll try not to wilt, for I'll try dressing these.
Puns to your appetite. If I promise to pepper my puns,
Maybe you won't throw salt. And maybe I should just leave this alone.
because I am no chef. I am Caesar of salad puns. You toss tomatoes at me if you could. And salad puns, and are salad poems rotten yet? I should compose these puns. Is this like watching grass grow?
Salad buns can be cheesy. How much green will you pay me to stop making these terrible puns? If you read this, I owe you the rest of the meal. Now that I wet
Your appetite! Yeah! Oh, wait, please.
What was that? Oh, okay, Leon, it's your turn now.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Faces like yours belong in the zoo. I'll be there too. Not in the ditch, but laughing at you.
Okay, that was great.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a great poem.
Okay, let's go on to the second motion of our debate. And the second motion is, this house believes that apples can keep doctors away.
Yeah, let's do this. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. You know how? You must have good aim.
No, I'm pretty sure doctors love apples because they would happily eat one.
No, I bet you don't know what's more powerful than a red apple. A green apple. You know why? You guys all know Superman, right? You regard him as the most powerful, the strongest, and basically the best man on earth. So if Superman can't take kryptonite, which is green by the way, he will never take the power of a green apple.
Talking about zoos, well, that was totally amusing and so irrelevant. But fine, like whatever. I think the apple and the doctor make a great pair, right?
Wait, oh, P-A-R and P-A-I-R. Oh,
Yeah.
good fun, good fun.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well that's the end of that game show. I'm proud to announce that the winners are...
Joel?
No, Leon and Gensel!
Wait,
Bye, losers.
what? Am I gonna die?
Yeah, probably will.
Why don't you go to me?
I'm so gonna miss that blood photo.
Well, is he like going to die down there alone? I think we should go save him.
I think we should.
Ew, go away!
Try again.
What?
Ew, go away!
Yes, the kids!
Save me, girl, run away.
I can't, I'm tied up!
Well, look who's here.
Wait, I remembered. During the debate, I said that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That means that it can keep Dr. Yalini away. Yeah!
Oh my god, is she dead? Yeah, like she's totally dead.
Yeah!
We'll celebrate, you know?
Wait, guys! You're gonna attack me! Guys! Guys! I'm still tied to the chair!